Done doing lightning feastal at Florence Motor Speedway. That 44 reminds me of one at Lancaster Speedway that hasn't been racing for a long time. Unknown driver of any of these cars because I don't really go here much. But possibility of being him, but not any promises. The lights are turning on over the racetrack. I don't know, the 44's turning it like a dirt track car. That might not have the right setup for it yet. Side by side racing for second and third.
Warren Deep for the racing lead. Davis is taking for the front. One guy in the front track now, Trevor Capitalizer. Economical weight. Yourself out to the second half of the one.
We starting to get another battle for second place.
Showing some muscle there today.
Something is wrong with the leader. He is coming in. I think someone just gave him the middle finger, if I'm not mistaken. But we do have a new leader. Asphalt race is always long. It's the longest races. Because they won more laps. I think minus 20 because we're going out. Most of the races here are 20 laps at most asphalt race tracks. Tonight is a brand new type of them. The brand new series, whichever one. Lap traffic. Contact made for the lead. He could be trying to wiggle him with the back bumper to get ahead. It looks like he's trying to do right there. Yellow, 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 yellow.
Must be him because he didn't go. Oh no, he still got that spot because the other car still left down.
Alright, the 4-speed so the Thunder and Lightning division. This is gonna get interesting here. Hey, team is gonna get in the 19's way. Well, to try to race with though too, he's not getting in his way in a way. You know, not talking. I think though two pulled ahead of maybe enough, I'm not sure. Who's gonna continue to lead? 5 laps to go. He probably has enough time to catch him if he has enough horsepower and steel.
There you go.
Here we go. Back bumper hitting once more.
They got under.
Under him, moved him out the way. 2 laps to go. The 19 is in the lead. Double dot 19. That's his number. If you're wondering why I'm a little shaky, my elbow, I had my yearly checkup, so it's a little sore. So, trying to hold the camera up as best as I can. The 12's in second at Florence. One, now at 19, is going to come out on 4 and cross the line to take the back of the See y'all for the bandolier if I'm saying that right, face sort of.
Look at that cloud.
And it looks like it's about to rain.